So for today's video, I am moving into my college dorm. It's move-in day today. So currently right now we're in Airbnb in like the town outside of my college. So it's like almost 7:45-ish right now. We're gonna get some coffee and then quickly go up to the school and start moving in. It's gonna be really hectic. Everyone on my floor moves in at the same time. My roommate, everyone. I'm actually meeting my roommate too today, so that's gonna be pretty fun. You guys can maybe meet her too. And yeah, it should be an interesting experience. The car is super full right now, so I don't know how we're gonna actually drive all together there, but we'll see. Should be fun. So this is just the stuff I have like in the Airbnb. It's a very full suitcase, little duffel bag, backpack. And then I also have like 6 boxes that we shipped here in the truck. And then yesterday we did a bunch more like shopping, like Target and Home Goods, stuff like that. So there's also a ton of that in the car as well. It's like really full. Are you excited?
I'm very excited. But I have to put some sunscreen on or else it's right.
You're not fit for California.
I'm not.
Are you excited?
I'm excited and nervous.
Let's go. Look how big the car is and it's totally full. Well, there's like some space in the back for the suitcase.
We got room in there.
Yeah, we made room for the suitcase. You're good, you can open it. Oh, JK. See, there's room. There's no room for me though.
Just careful of it.
I'll sit on Mom's lap.
Yeah. I'm gonna see about it. We're not that big. You scoot up and then I'll scoot back. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, where am I going?
Okay. You gotta move up. Yeah, there you go. There's people that are the sides of us. Right? Hi, friends. When last time with my baby?
No, you're not leaving for like 3 days.
I know.
Thank you. Ready for college. Excited to see campus.
Yes, very much so.
He's never seen it before. Every time we come, I come with Mom. Okay, we're here. Now I just need to go check in and get my key, and then I guess we can start unloading everything, unpacking. Look at it. It's me. Got a little moving cart. We're gonna have to take so many trips.
Your plant is so real that it's even got little holes in the...
I know, and like the dirt looks so real. I'm like literally so excited. It's my favorite thing I got. She's glistening in the sun. First trip. Hi. Cute. It looks like the picture. First one here. Oh, we got some good light. This is the room. I'm first one here. Claimed the side of the bed. Actually, when I was like envisioning this room, I pictured myself on the left side. So hopefully she didn't also picture herself on the left side. Mom, look, there's like hooks and like a mirror here.
Oh, that's cute.
And there's a small trash can, but I think we should get a bigger one. I think I might keep it like this, like how the desk is. I'm gonna text my roommate right now and see where she is. It's 9:28, our move-in time's at 9, but like check-in just took like 45 minutes. So she's probably still checking in. Okay, we're making some progress. Floor is almost clear-ish. Let me show you guys all my plants. Look at how cute they are. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, I also got this light up E from Home Goods. So we got some clothes hung up here. There's actually a lot of closet space. I ran out of hangers, so we're gonna go buy more. And we got my desk, which is not coming along very well. We haven't started there yet. But I'm gonna put like a lot of my makeup and hair stuff in this cart, I think, and then just like, you know, school stuff on here. Then a lot of wall decor above there. And then here's my bed. Got a lot of space of storage underneath. And then I'm gonna put like a lot of stuff on the wall here. I want the wall to be super covered with like a bunch of stuff. But yeah, we're definitely getting somewhere. It's just slow but steady. It's hard because there's like a lot of stuff here and you don't know where to start. I don't know like where we packed things, so yeah, but we're getting places. We're gonna get like a carpet too, I think, and then something to put like stuff in next to the fridge so we can have some like snacks and stuff. Oh, my plants look so cute in the window. Do you like it so far?
Love it.
Now I'm working on like all my wall decor stuff, which is kind of what I'm focusing on because like when I film my videos, I don't want it just to be like a blank wall. It's kind of boring. So right now I'm trying to hang a, what's it called? It's a curtain, just a regular curtain, but I'm using it as like a tapestry thing. So this is the curtain and we're hanging it like on the small wall part of my bed right there, and then we're using the command hooks to put through like where the curtain rod would go basically, so it just hangs up top like that. And then we'll not have it hanging like looped like that, like we'll like stick another 2 hooks up there up top and hopefully it'll look cute. It matches my bed because I have like this blue ottoman right here and then these 2 blue little cubes, so tie that all in. Yay, looks cute. Great idea. What do you think?
No, I wouldn't make it lower. I think that's a good height. But it might, so you try to center it over the bed?
Over the bed.
Maybe a little bit more, maybe like 2 inches to the right.
Move to Ella.
Yeah.
It is 12:53, so we're gonna go to another side of campus to move the car, see if there's any place to eat around there, and then we're gonna go to Target and then pick up some extra things. So I need like a rug, a trash can because the one they provide is like really tiny, and just like some extra storage bins and stuff, and then we'll be back to finish decorating. What do you think?
It's delightful.
That's not a word I would use.
That's really good.
Thank you. Okay. I saw a cute rug in Target when we went, so we can just get that. And I'm sure they have like a trash can too we can get. I can actually sit in a real seat now. I'm so hungry. Bryn, it's Ella. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to what?
The vlog.
That was vlogging.
I don't know.
Say hi.
What, hi?
Target. Okay, so we got these 4 purses. This for like hot tools, hair dryer, flat iron. I was thinking this one. Wait, I don't know how big. 5 by 7. How big did they say?
Well, so 7 is the distance between beds.
What was the other distance?
It could be long, like
To the end of the room was like
10, 12.
We're not gonna find a 5 by 10. I think 5 by 7 is good. Like it'll cover the bed area. Yeah. Hello. So are thinking this one right here. It's 5 by 7, so that won't cover the whole room, but like the bed area.
No, that's what I think that
Yeah. Okay, I'll text her. And then we see a trash can. Okay, but now we need a trash can.
Trash cans and hanger.
A cute one, like a white one or something with a lid. These are ugly. I think we should just get them at Bed Bath & Beyond. Moving out. Okay, second outing. Now we're at Bed Bath & Beyond. We are on the hunt for a trash can. I also need a ton more hangers. I bought, what was it, like 50 hangers, and it's not nearly enough. I brought a lot of clothes. That's really tiny. It's not that.
As well.
Oh. Ooh. Okay, well I guess then we can get one of these.
This one's a little bit
I thought that's so expensive. I don't want to spend a lot of money. Let me ask Lauren what she thinks of this. Okay, we're just gonna let that be. There might be more trash cans here, but I don't know. Also, I'll see what my roommate thinks. But now we need a tissue box. Oh, here's a white tissue box. Lauren says we can just wait and then use the one they have, like they gave us, and if it's too small, then we can order one online. Because Amazon's definitely cheaper than this. Okay, so we're back in the room. We finished like hanging out my clothes and all that, so you can see my closet over here. It's actually like not that full. I got all my clothes here. I didn't leave anything at home that like I think I'm gonna need, so we're good on that. So yeah, now we have like this thing for East Coast families we're gonna go to for a little bit. Then I'm gonna come back here, you guys can meet my roommate, and then we have like a hall meeting thing, which I might vlog at, might be kind of weird, we'll see. But yeah, I guess we can head over now, right? Cool. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, so it's been a little bit and I met some new people. You wanna introduce yourself?
I'm Brennan. I'm Annika.
We're on the same floor, so now we have neighbors.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't introduce them to my roommate yet. Hi, this is Lauren. When I last vlogged before the East Coast thing, but we had like a family hall dinner, and now we're just looking at the LA view. That's the city behind us. I can't believe we live here. It's so cool.
Like, look at that. Hold up. Look at that majestic view.
Love it. That's our moment. We missed the thing where they take us to the pep rally, so we're trying to find it. You don't hear it.
We're a little bit lost, but you know what?
I don't know where anything
it's
is.
okay.
Everything looks exactly the same.
You're late. You're late. So just put them
Thank you.
All late. You're all late.
Hey, UCLA jealous, folks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go Lions! You can exit the way you came into.
Oh, we totally missed
Ready for the
it.
immersive arena, and we're so glad you're here.
Literally missed the whole pep rally, but now we're gonna be the first ones in the gym for whatever is happening next. I didn't know this was like a mandatory thing. So it is the next day. I didn't really get a chance to vlog much after the pep rally, but basically I just had a chill night in my dorm with my roommate and some of our hallmates. We got to know each other. It was super fun, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I definitely would love to vlog like a lot more while I'm in college, so if you guys like these types of videos, let me know in the comments down below. I know I'm not the best at vlogging, but hopefully if I do it a bit more, I'll get better at it. We'll see. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye!